Hello guys, today we are going to analyze the sector of natural gas. But why are we analyzing this sector? So the basic reason is that the share of natural gas in India's energy mix is around 6.2% against the world average of 24%. So India's share in energy mix for natural gas is just one-fourth of the world average, and government of India aims to bring this share of natural gas in the energy mix up to 15% by 2030, which is 2.5 times of the current rate. So in the recent days, guys, you must have noticed the rally in the energy sector, and according to many analysts or experts, this rally might continue in future also because the demand for energy is going to increase with the advent of EV. In this video, we are going to discuss following topics, which are the major heads of the video. So what is natural gas, type of gases, uses of gas, market share of natural gas in different sector, supply of natural gas, future outlook of natural gas. So guys, natural gas is a fossil energy which is formed deep beneath the earth's surface. Natural gas contains many different compounds, but the largest component of natural gas is methane. Now where is this gas used, or what are the different types of gases? So one is liquefied natural gas, which is LNG. Another one is RLNG, which is regasified liquefied natural gas, which is transported to consumer through pipelines. Compressed natural gas, which is CNG, and other one is piped natural gas, which is PNG. Now, where are these gases used? In the power sector as fuel for base, in fertilizer industry as feedstock in production of ammonia and urea, for industrial segment under boiler fuel for raising steam, under domestic and commercial PNG and CPNG for cooking and fuel respectively, under automotive industry, and also under petrochemicals as the raw materials from which a variety of chemical products are derived. So let us have a look at the segment-wise demand of natural gas in the past years, and also what the demand could be in the future years according to some research. So here we can see a chart for different years. Let us compare the demand in 2012 with the actual demand in 2021. So we can see in the power sector the demand was around 86.50, which is MMSCMD, which is a unit to measure the supply of gas. So we can see an actual growth of almost 3 times in these years. For fertilizer it was around 60 and currently it is 107. So a growth of almost 2 times. For city gas also there is a growth of almost 3 times. In industrial sector from 20 to 37, almost 2 times. In petrochem refineries we can see a growth of almost 1.5 times. In sponge iron and steel from 7 to 10, so a growth of 0.5 times. So here we can see that the major growth in demand for natural gas comes from power sector and city gas sector. Having a look of gas demand for power sector in the last few years and the future expectation, we can see this graph is consistently moving upwards. So the demand from power sector for the natural gas by 2030 it is expected to reach 285 mmscmd, which was around 68.4 mmscmd in the year 2011. So almost a growth of 400% in the next few years. Having a look at the supply of natural gas, so from domestic sources we can see that the supply, let us compare the year 2012 and year 2021. We can see that the supply has increased from 101 to 180 to almost a growth of 80%. But for LNG import, which was around 45 in 2012, has reached to 188, so almost a growth of 400% in the LNG imports. And for gas imports also we can see here a figure of 30 due to the commissioned Tapi pipeline project, which are going to increase gas imports. Cross border pipelines are going to increase. So we can see here is a lot of opportunity for the domestic natural gas distribution companies like Gujarat Gas, Mahanagar Gas, IGL, etc. So guys, here is a chart in which we can see the demand recovery of natural gas by various countries in Asia. Here we can see that China and Korea have led the demand recovery in Asia, while India and emerging Asia is expected to catch up in 2022. Now guys, just have a look at this chart. Here we can see that the yellow line is for Korea and this light blue line is for China. So only these two countries have increased the demand for natural gas in 2021. Here on the right side chart we can see dark blue color is for 2021. So for China we can see this dark blue bar chart is highest. It is more than the 2020. So the demand for gas has increased in China in this particular year, and same for Korea. Demand has increased in 2021, but here green color is for 2022. So India, we can see that demand has increased in 2021 for the gas as compared to 2020, which is the light blue color. But in 2022 there is going to be massive improvement in demand, and India is going to catch up with other countries, and same goes for emerging Asia also. We can see this green bar chart is highest, and emerging Asia is also expected to catch up. So here is a positive news for the gas sector in India and other countries of emerging Asia. So guys, it would be unfair if we only talk about the positive side of natural gas. There are some problems related to natural gas also. One, it is not completely green fuel and it emits greenhouse gases, which is not good for the environment. Other one is the infrastructure problem in our country. We do not have enough infrastructure to facilitate city gas distribution in every city of the country. That is why the CGD or PNG network is almost in the major cities of the country, but government is trying to reach smaller cities also by improving the infrastructure. Secondly, in the recent days, you might have seen that there was an increase in the prices of fuel, because of which CNG prices have also increased and the cost has gone up. Plus, CNG cars are not available in every variant. As of now, CNG cars are only available in the models which are available in the petrol, and XUV cars are not available in the CNG version. Also, due to the limitation of CNG stations in our country, many people hesitate to buy such cars. But also in the recent times, we have seen lot of CNG stations coming up in the country. Government is planning to increase the number of CNG stations. So guys, if you think I missed any important point in this video, then you can let me know in the comment section. So this was all from this video. If you guys found this content helpful, then please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.